guys, what's up? It's me Tamanna. Welcome back to another video. So I am doing a lot of photo shoots these days. Like, I'm addicted to doing these. I do them every day. I get ready every day, go to my terrace or in my balcony or someplace like that and do photo shoots. I don't know, it's just my strange addiction nowadays. So a lot of you guys have been requesting on doing this video on how to click pictures at home, and I've been seeing a lot of people do this video as well, so I was like, let's do it. So there are like 6 photo ideas that you can do at home. Only thing you need to go is either your terrace or your balcony, wherever there's a good view of the sky. So I have 6 ideas. I'll go through them one by one. Just before filming this video, I clicked a picture, so I decided to include that idea as well, since it was a really nice idea. I may do a part 2 to this video, I am not sure, but whatever it is, I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, and if you want a part 2, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. We are so close to 10k. We just reached 9k, which is insane, so thank you. And yeah, I think we should just get started. Okay, so this idea is the one I got appreciated the most. It is the flying dupatta idea. So what I did was, I got ready, I put on an Indian outfit so that I could like do the dupatta photo shoot. I could do the fly the dupatta into the sky. And so what I did for this was, so what I did for this photo shoot was, I filmed a video in slow motion and then I took screenshots of my favorite shots. I hope that makes sense. I basically took screenshots from that video and then edited them and posted them. So here's just a screen recording on how to do that. So as you can see, I took screenshots of the parts I liked and saved them and edited them. What I did for this was, I took my dupatta and threw it into the sky, and I went a step ahead so that the dupatta falls behind me. So what I did was, I threw the dupatta into the sky and I took a step forward so that the dupatta falls behind me, so that it gives a good effect. It was difficult, clearly. And I kept the phone literally at the most bottom angle I could find. I did not even keep it on my tripod. I took the tripod's bottom as a support so that the sky is very clear. It was very difficult to click a picture like that, and some pictures were really bad but some pictures were amazing. And yeah, the dupatta constantly kept falling on the floor, but still I got a good picture, and it is one of my favorite pictures now of mine. The second photo shoot idea is with flowers. So I was inspired by Mansi to do this picture. So I basically took some fake flowers from my home and then I went to the terrace, of course, and again I clicked picture with the sky. You know, sky is my new favorite background right now. I love pictures with sky because first of all, sky is very pretty. Second of all, there's good lighting. Yeah, it's very effortless, but the pictures turn out amazing. So that day was really windy. I'm not even kidding, it was so windy. So there were some pictures which turned out like this, but there were also some pictures which turned out like this. I wouldn't say these are my favorite from the whole video. My favorite was the dupatta one, but still I'm pretty satisfied. Okay, the third picture also I'm really excited for is the newspaper one. So I have seen this trend go on TikTok like crazy. Every single person is doing it. So basically they are taking like a wall or something and putting newspapers all over the wall and then clicking pictures in front of it. It's simple, it's difficult to stick the newspapers on the wall. So these are also one of my favorite pictures. It was difficult to click this picture because I don't know why, but I was not even getting a picture. Like my face looked ugly. But if you can pull it off, then I would definitely suggest this. It's easy, you can do it at home. The fourth one is the mirror outside one. Okay, so this one is also inspired by TikTok. So everyone is doing it. Everyone is bringing their mirror outside and clicking pictures with the sky. Again, a sky picture. So what you will do is, if you have a mirror which can come out from the wall, you can do it. I sadly didn't have a big mirror. I had like a small mirror, but still the picture is amazing. Like, I'm so obsessed with that picture. I would prefer to use a rectangle or a square mirror, but I sadly didn't have it, so I went for a circular mirror, but the picture was so good. These are like my second favorite pictures. I love them so much. Not only you can do this with the sky, you can do it with plants as well. You can do it with whatever background you like, and it will turn out so pretty. Okay, this one also I'm very excited for. So again, Mansi inspired me to do this. What you have to do in this is you need a big TV. What you will do is type on YouTube like neon graphics, something like that, and a video will come which will give good graphics. Yeah, that's it. You just have to pose in front of it, around it, and the picture will come out amazing. Very, very retro. And the last idea, I decided to include it very last minute. I was not planning on including this. So what I did was, there's this area in my balcony where the sun rays come, like, so it forms cool shadows. I hope I make sense. I'll leave a picture right here. So what I did was, I took a white bed sheet and I spread it all around. I wanted it to be in such a position that the rays are positioned around my eye. Yeah, I hope by the pictures you understand, because I'm not good at explaining. And it was so difficult to click pictures because I felt like I was going blind. I couldn't keep my eyes open for like even a second because it was so hot. But still, the pictures are worth it, and I would definitely suggest you guys to give it a shot. I think it's a great idea and you can do it at home. There must be some place in your home where the sun rays come like that. If you recreate any of these pictures, then please tag me. I would love to see your recreations. I will also post them on my stories, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you want a part 2 because I really want to do a part 2. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, love you.